Let's learn ABC. It's so much fun unlocking the world. One letter at a time. Let's learn